So you have to be very dynamic to see the world. And I'll tell you, 2009 people say was a recession year, a bad year. Many people have converted that into an opportunity. How? You want to put up a project of 2,000 crores? You can hold back, market has gone bad, so I will not do anything. Let the market improve, then I will go and invest. But if you have a high risk taking ability, in 2009 if you have decided to put up that project, you can put up, instead of 2,000 crores, you can put up at 1,200 crores. And by the time this project comes on stream, your market has improved, so you are in a position where when the market has improved, you have a ready project available to deliver goods to the market, and the project is at 40% lower cost than what the cost would have been otherwise. So risk-taking ability into the entire project management is another important factor, and it varies level to level. I can understand everybody cannot take risks, but the role of certain people, say at all levels, junior level, middle management level, senior management, would be to keep pushing it up. Say, look, let's do this. Can we do this? If we take a little higher risk, maybe we can gain. So rather than sitting back and saying, I have done my planning, I have put my IT tools into that, my project will come on time, I have controlled everything, is not the issue. Because your competitor is working very, very hard onto these things. The issue is in this dynamism, are you able to do relatively better than your competitors? Today, everyone is getting into power projects. You name the company. A shoe company who used to make shoes, a good brand, has got into power making. Okay? It has nothing to do with power technology. Okay? People who were in real estate have gone into power. People who were in financial institutions have gone into power. So power is an in thing. But the question again is, how and when you are able to do this, in what time, and how you are able to sell this would be the most critical thing about it. There are various tools available. Some of those are there, but what I'm trying to put to you, I won't take much time, is that all these tools you are using, what is the most critical thing is the top management perspective, getting into the project management and trying to do it. Number two, dynamism in this. Not one single day you can sleep, because the environment has changed, either in terms of pricing or in terms of competition or in terms of something else. You will have these daily problems. And third is your risk-taking ability must improve into this. And finally, everybody has to work together to achieve the end goal. And the last way of working is, in some of the companies you have heard, the entrepreneur comes and gives a date. On this day I am going to announce the inauguration of the plant. Finished. There is no planning, there is nothing. There is an intent and a desire to do it. And then he says you work backward and make it happen. You know the case studies, I won't take the names. And it has been said and it has happened. How have they done it? So it is another way of planning being done, which is a backward planning. I want this to happen and we can do it. Do whatever is required to be done for that. Okay? And therefore, I want to be known as the fastest company to put up a plant. If people are putting in 24 months, I would like to put it up in 15 months. Now, these kind of targets also sometimes you might be facing. And you have to then see accordingly what resources are required, what IT tools are required, what other knowledge is required, acquire. You have to hire consultants, you have to hire consultants. You have to get the technology and the knowledge, you have to get into that. But this is also, in fact, now more and more this is happening. Now, people look at industry projections next 3 years. This is happening. These 5 companies are coming into power project. I want to be there, but I want to be ahead of them. So this is how people are working. They are not starting zero base. They are starting backward end base, which is coming in. So there, without a tool, IT tool, you cannot work. It's impossible. Because you have to simulate various conditions and you have to optimize the entire methodology and the cost of work. Okay? Thank you very much.